Hey guys, welcome to the NA channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your computer's power button to the motherboard. So here you can see I have these pins which are connected to my case buttons. I will connect them into my motherboard, and I'm going to show you how you can also connect them if you have changed your board or you have take out your motherboard for cleaning or for any purpose. Just follow the video till the end to successfully connect all the pins. So here we go. So guys, here you can see at the first we're gonna connect this power SWQS. And that's it guys, as you can see it's working. Now please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.